Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified when anyone on Threads likes your thread on Threads app. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, open hamburger menu. From here, tap on notifications and then select Threads and replies. Under the likes section, tap on the button beside from everyone. And that's it. Each time anyone likes your thread, you'll get notified of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.